National Scientific Emergency Broadcast. This is not a test. This is an emergency broadcast from the National Research Division. Please stand by for an urgent scientific crisis update. At 3:42 p.m. today, researchers at an undisclosed facility successfully created a liquid form of absolute zero, a theoretical state where all molecular motion ceases. This breakthrough was believed to be impossible, but it has led to uncontrollable consequences. Current reports confirm the substance is spreading beyond containment, causing instantaneous freezing of air, water, and even solid materials. Localized gravity anomalies, unexplained distortions in physical matter and time flow. This is an extreme emergency. Scientists warn that the substance may continue spreading unless immediate containment is achieved. Civilians are advised to stay indoors, avoid all frozen objects, and report any strange environmental changes to authorities. Do not approach any unknown ice formations or temperature anomalies. Emergency teams are working to assess the full scale of the crisis. Further updates will follow as more information becomes available. Remain calm, stay alert, and await further instructions. This is an emergency broadcast from the National Scientific and Crisis Response Division. A catastrophic and unprecedented atmospheric event is currently unfolding. At approximately 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, researchers at a classified government facility confirmed a sudden and extreme drop in global temperatures following the development of an experimental liquid form of absolute zero. Due to unknown destabilizing effects, the substance has begun spreading beyond containment. As a result, even liquid nitrogen, normally at minus 320 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 196 degrees Celsius, is beginning to freeze solid. Has been detected in multiple locations may begin to solidify under extreme conditions. All civilians are advised to take immediate shelter. Safety instructions: stay indoors. Avoid exposure to outside air. Open environments may rapidly become uninhabitable. Seal off ventilation systems. Supercooled air may enter homes and vehicles. Block all cracks and openings. Avoid all ice formations. These may be hazardous and structurally unstable. Do not attempt to flee unless directed by authorities. Certain areas may already be too cold for survival. This is not a test. This is an ongoing emergency broadcast. As government agencies attempt to control the spread of an experimental absolute zero liquid. Reports confirm extreme temperature drops in all major cities. Vehicles and infrastructure may become brittle and fragile. Power outages may occur due to overloaded heating systems. We repeat, all civilians must remain indoors and avoid exposure. Urgent update. The Pacific Ocean has frozen solid. This is an emergency update from the National Scientific and Crisis Response Division. The extreme temperature anomaly continues to escalate at an uncontrollable rate. Scientists have now confirmed that the entire Pacific Ocean has frozen over. Satellite images show a complete ice sheet forming from the U.S. West Coast to Asia. All maritime operations have ceased. Ships are stranded and unresponsive. Coastal regions report temperatures dropping below minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Even subsurface water miles below sea level is turning to solid ice. Impact and warnings: tsunamis. Water freezes instantly. Marine life facing mass extinction. Oxygen levels in oceans plummeting. Weather patterns becoming unpredictable. Hurricanes and storms may cease entirely. Civilians in coastal regions must evacuate immediately. Global consequences unknown. Experts warn this event may expand to all oceans. Urgent final warning. Earth's core is freezing. This is the final emergency update from the National Scientific and Crisis Response Division. The absolute zero anomaly has now spread beyond containment. Scientists confirm that the Earth's core is rapidly freezing and will become completely solid in approximately 5 hours. Seismic activity has ceased as the magma flows solidify. All volcanic activity has stopped. Heat transfer from the core has ended. Surface temperatures are dropping below -400 degrees Fahrenheit, -240 degrees Celsius, in multiple regions. Fully solidifies, Earth's magnetic field may collapse. Impact and warnings, total infrastructure. Failure imminent, power systems will cease functioning. Oxygen may begin to liquefy, atmospheric collapse is possible. All life forms will experience rapid cellular freezing within hours. There is no further evacuation plan. This is a global extinction event. This will be the final transmission. May God help us all. Update. Earth's core will be completely frozen in 1 hour. This is the final emergency transmission from the National Scientific and Crisis Response Division. The Earth's core is now 95% solidified. All geothermal activity has ceased. The planet is rapidly losing its ability to sustain life. Satellites confirm Earth's magnetic field is collapsing. Atmospheric pressure is dropping as oxygen begins to liquefy. Surface temperatures approaching -500 degrees Fahrenheit. Impact and warnings. Gravitational instability detected. Tilt and orbit may be affected. Global blackout imminent. Oxygen and nitrogen condensing into liquid form. Human survival impossible. This is the end. There is no further escape. To anyone still listening, this will be the last message from humanity. Signal terminating.